Hello, welcome to week 2. So this week you'll need to read chapter 5 and 18, and you will also be uploading your self-introduction speech. Here is a description of the speech of self-introduction, and the easiest way to upload this speech is to record it on Screencast-O-Matic and then upload it to YouTube from there. Uploading it to YouTube on your own by just kind of recording it on your phone or your computer takes a really long time to upload. So make sure you refer to the instructions that I'm posting in announcements on how to do a video on Screencast-O-Matic. It's super simple, it's quick, and it's easy. So in this speech of self-introduction, you want to make sure that you are introducing yourself and you're using an object to do that. Remember, we reviewed the rubric on last week. This speech is low pressure because it's completely designed to let you know where you stand in this speech process. What are you doing really well? And what are some of the opportunities that you can improve on? So remember, this speech is due by 11:59 p.m. on Monday, and you're going to post it in discussion. Do remember, for this first speech, I'm going to need you to show a picture of your school ID prior to completing your video. So make sure you include that picture of your school ID right at the start of your speech. If you don't have a school ID, completely okay. You can use your driver license and you can just cover up your address and any other personal identifying information. In order to receive credit for this speech, you will need to include your school ID. Also remember that this speech, you cannot have any barrier in front of you. So that's going to be a table, a podium. You also cannot do the speech in your bed. So find a great place with some good light to deliver your speech. Okay, so what else you have to do for this week is going to start thinking about your special occasion speech. In thinking about this special occasion speech, you're going to want to go ahead and post your topic. And so your special occasion speech can be done on any historical figure that you would like to tribute. So this is going to be a person that is well known. It could be Michelle Obama. It could be Matthew McConaughey. It could be Mother Teresa. It is up to you. Topics are on a first come, first serve basis. So think about somebody that you would like to pay tribute to that's a historical figure. To kind of help you think a little bit more about what this speech will look like, you see 2 sample special occasion speeches posted in your discussion 2 assignment. So what you're going to do in this speech, or for this discussion assignment, is you're going to watch one of these sample speeches and kind of walk us through, what did you find compelling? What are some things that you thought the speaker could do better on? And then this gives you the opportunity to think about how what you're seeing matches up with what we're discussing in the text. So chapter 5 starts talking about the different ways we can think through this speech process. So go ahead and look at some of the ways that the introduction and the conclusion are effective using specific terminology from the text. Tell us, what is your overall impression of the speech? Also remember that you need to reply to 2 peers and you kind of want to discuss your agreement or disagreement. So here's where you'll post your special occasion speech topic, and then here's where you will complete your discussion 2 assignment.